Hi guys, welcome to our Infotech channel. Today we will show how to fix the SSD issue on the ASUS ZenBook model UX534F with an Intel i7 10th generation. It seems like the SSD is not showing up in our laptop right now. As you can see it not appearing in boot menu now either, so I'm going to open it up laptop and check it out how to fix this. We will need to unscrew it. Yes, now it's open. Yeah, now his laptop is open and need to unscrew it. Yes, as you've seen, now it's clean the SSD and yeah, yes, just open. Yeah, this need to clean. You can use any tissue and razor type, need to razor and clean it, right? So that no, and reinstall it and to see if issue is resolved. It's like a SSD version and serial numbers, right? Is reinstalled again and if the issue is resolved. Otherwise, if you don't work, then we may need to be replaced the SSD, right? Okay, thank you.